The situation now over the last 6 months or so has been quite normal. As you're aware, the talks have been going on for more than a year now. We had the 12th round of talks last month, and we are hopeful to have the 13th round of talks very soon, perhaps as soon as next week, that is the second week of October. We are confident that as we discuss things with each other, and we will be able to reach consensus on how this disengagement is to take place, and by all the friction points will get resolved. Even when the talks had started, people were doubtful whether talks would resolve anything, but I'm of the firm opinion that we can resolve our differences through dialogue, and that is what has happened over the last few months. So I'm very hopeful that we will be able to achieve some results.
Sir, very regularly reports come from across the border that the Chinese have not cut down the number of troops deployed on their side of the LAC. In this backdrop, and we also hear that they are building permanent shelters, increasing number of bases. In this backdrop, sir, how strongly are we prepared, and can any adversary ever try to be aggressive in this region, with now Indian Army also increasing its strength in this region, sir?
Yes, as you very rightly mentioned, that the Chinese have deployed in considerable numbers all across eastern Ladakh, and not only in eastern Ladakh but all across the northern front, right up to our eastern command also. So definitely there has been an increase in their deployment in the forward areas, which remains of course a matter of concern for us. But we are regularly monitoring all their movements, and based on whatever inputs we get, we are also carrying out matching developments both in infrastructure as well in terms of the troops that are needed to counter any threat. So we are, I think, at the moment quite well poised to meet any eventuality.